what a pretty flower. Yeah, so pretty. I wish tulips is so easy to get here on the Philippines, but tulips is one of the hardest hardest flower we can have in Philippines because here it's so hot. Unlike in the foreign country, like they said, tulips grow on their backyard only. Like, oh, I hope in our backyard too there's a tulips. What a, I'm Mexican and sorry I only speak Spanish. But you're speaking English right now, Enrique. Do you know I have a Mexican friend too? But I think he already left on Bigo. His name is Jay. But I think he already quit on Bigo. I don't know why. He didn't say bye on me. Like, bye. Like that. Maybe he got a problem or something. You're not my friend. You're my best friend. You're my best friend, Alex. Sorry, sheesh. I don't understand. I use translator, but I'm happy to see your cute little face. Thank you, Enrique. I really appreciate it. What? A mí también me encanta. See, what's that? I also love her beautiful face. Thank you, Alex. Ask him, how old is he? Enrique, how old are you? I think, why you don't know how to speak English? Is English is not your second language there in Mexico? Or where are you? Where country do you live? Denada. What is Denada? You're welcome. Alex, ask him why he didn't know how to speak English. Tell him I asked him. Baby ka, hello. Isn't it English is your second language there? Alex, if he writes Spanish. ¿Por qué mo no sabes English? Porque contigo yo escogí a mi corazón te sufrí. Es simple ahí yo te pedí. Dito ako sa'yo yung senti. That's one of like that's the only one Spanish. I don't know what word is it. I think it's Spanish. Spanish song that I know. Porque. I just remember it because you said porque. Wait. I'm reading. He asked you. OMG. Canta Bebe. What's Canta Bebe? Because I have never given it importance to learn another language, brother. Oh, wait. Oh my God, you sang Spanish. Yeah, that's Spanish. That's the only thing I know. Spanish song. The only one. He says he thought there was no need to learn another language. Oh, so sad. Thank you. Who's that? Zaim. It's Zaim? How to pronounce your name? Thank you. I'm translating and you have the translator, lol. But you can teach me English, don't worry. Yeah, I'm gonna teach you English every time you go here on my live. Enrique Iglesias is singer. Did you know? Enrique is a singer on Mexico. Alex? Not this Enrique. Ah, okay. It's a Spanish. Sí, español. Hmm. Whoa. No, he's Spanish. Son of legendary. Ah, okay. He's the son of a legendary singer. That's why you know him. I think the love. I haven't heard you sing. Bad Bunny, hello. Hi, Stig. Enrique is my name. I name Iglesias after the Spanish singer. Oh, that's cool. He is known for like club hits in 2000s. Son of Julio Iglesias. Hijo de Julio Iglesias. Oh. Alex, I never heard you sing. Can you sing for me? I wanna hear your voice. I never heard you sing, but I think you love music. Do you love music? Should I sing? Yeah, you should. I wanna hear you. I'll send you something later. Okay. I'm gonna wait for that. Don't forget